Alright Emma, so we're going to put this shoulder harness on that I just demoed to you. Do you mind if I touch you and I put this on? Okay, cool.
Okay.
So it's really simple. We're just going to split this in half, make sure it's even. Pop that around your back for me, right around where the bra strap would be. Good. Flick it over your shoulders. Yep, just like that. Okay, let go. And I'm just going to make sure this is a little bit more even. Great, so I'm crossing this. Let's turn around so they can see. I'm crossing this behind the neck, like this, coming underneath. And it's important that there is a cross. If there is no cross, it's not going to do what we want it to do. Okay, so we cross it here, get this strap high up onto the neck as high as you can. Good, turn around back to the camera for me if you don't mind them. Take hold of these two strappy doos. Now, your feet look good, they're in mountain pose feet, you know that well. Bring your pelvis to neutral. Good. Now, quite strongly, you're going to pull that strap down and out. Ooh, that's nice.
It's really good.
Good, and then, excellent. If that's is that nice, comfortable amount? Yeah, good. And you can already feel what it's doing, right? It's creating space around your neck. It's opened your chest. I want you to go ahead and just tie that to the straps off the front. Good. And of course, there's loads more things we'll go into, but here you can just receive the opening that the strap is giving you there. Good. If you keep that pelvis in neutral. And just take 5 breaths here, Emma. And once you reach that 5th exhalation, you're going to remove the straps. Just undo. She's like, I don't want to.
I don't want to. I'm going to walk around like this today.
You could walk around with that, but only for like 10 minutes, right? And then if you take it off, you're going to know why I just said that, okay? Take it off, slide it off your shoulders. And this is the great thing about imprinting on the nervous system. All you have to do is imagine you've got the shoulder harness on. And you see how your body automatically wants to go into that more open position, more supported. It's really good. And of course, we're going to go into a lot more of the techniques of how to set your shoulders correctly. But I think this is one of the juicy things that people can do straight away.